What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip, and he's here to do some business with a big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
Wait, tell me, can you see my hairline? You cannot see it because I'm bald. I'm finished, man. Look at the hairline. Squiggity, squiggity, squiggity.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
Patrick, but the door is slippery. It's frozen shut.
Let me have a try. Open sesame. Well, I've done all I can do.
Why are you the way that you are?
2,000 years later.
3 baseball trick shots. Wait,